I am back at IAAPA at one of my favorite booths, Jekyll on a Journey. And you may have seen an interview I did a few years ago on my Orlando channel, but now I have a hunt channel. I figured it's time to do a new interview. Also, this booth gets more and more amazing every year.
Oh, thank
Every
you.
year I'm just blown away by all the new stuff you do in just a year. It's fantastic. I know the Gordies are a recent addition as of last year, was it, or 2 years ago? Right?
We started with the Gordies a couple of years ago, and now we have this whole augmented reality scavenger hunt feature. We've grown the brand. They've been in a lot of shows. So we just keep on expanding the brand and expanding what we're doing with the Gordies as we expand the business with like lots of different fun more pumpkin sculpts that we bring to each year.
And I love the booth with the pumpkins on the top and your little dark area to show off what it looks like at night. Amazing, of course.
Yeah, so we have this pumpkin tunnel, so when folks come in, they can see what our nighttime shows look like.
Right.
You know, we had 6 huge shows going on this year, all over the country. We were in New York, New Jersey, California. We were in Texas. We were in, I know I'm forgetting Michigan. I'm sorry if I'm forgetting any of my favorite haunts out there. We were in Arizona. We did a lot of work with Southwick Zoo. We did a whole huge show.
And I know you have a presence in Carowinds as well.
Yes, we did some theme parks too. You saw us over here?
Yes, I went up to Carowinds in August, and then I saw them setting up.
Yeah.
And I saw one of the zones I walked through. I was like,
Debbie Pumpkin must have been there.
These look familiar. I think I know who this is from because they look amazing.
I appreciate that.
I saw on your screen Karen's. I'm like, it was you guys. I was right.
Love it. Yes. Yes, we've definitely been through the theme parks, Santa Kista. We did some stuff for Dollywood, Carowinds. We hit up. We did some really cool stuff for the St. Louis Aquarium, some zoos. So we had a great year. Like we keep on growing and really super appreciative to, you know, our customers and clients who come out and see our shows and to buy some of our one-off kind of stuff as well. Yeah. So it's amazing. Yeah. You know, the haunts are really now putting some family-friendly elements into their shows because they're kind of seeing what that looks like.
Yes.
And, you know, since I've been doing this for about 10 years and I've self-proclaimed myself the, you know, jack-o'-lantern queen, we've been consulting with a lot of people as to how to kind of grow that audience, you know, and we chat about it and talk about it a lot. So,
but that's why I call the channel Dave's Spook Central, because I do go a lot of the scary, intense haunts, but I like to live the family-friendly things too. So I wanted to keep it open to everything.
Yeah.
Because I enjoy the gory, scary, and I enjoy the family-friendly stuff. It's all great. So.
Well, listen, anything nowadays that's going to entertain you, you know, get you away from this real world on some level that we're living in is good. So whether it's the Gordies or whether it's some of our pumpkin panels or pumpkin flowers or anything like that, it's a really great escape. So it's actually one of the most gratifying things for me, you know, when I'm at one of my shows and we see the folks come by and they're taking pictures and they're smiling and they're having a good time and they're just enjoying being with their friends and their family. So it's really very rewarding to be able to be a part of that. I lose sight of that sometimes. So it's good to remember, you know.
But I know that one thing is if someone is interested in some of the work that you do is start early, because I know you.
Oh yes. California, I forgot we have a huge show, Nights of the Jack in California too. Yes, we are booking up already. We have a bunch of shows that we're building out right now. We've expanded some staff. We've expanded into a lot of huge 3D photo ops. So there's actually a dinosaur on that side that you can see. So we're moving big and people like to, you know, take those pictures of themselves. So we can build out for the haunts. We can build out for the family friendly Christmas work. Obviously 92% of what we do is, you know, family friendly Halloween, but it's realized in a lot of different ways. So whether it's decorating a hotel or an aquarium or a zoo, or whether you're going for an experience and you're paying a ticket, or whether you're an add-on to something that's already existing, you can come to us, you can bring our Gordies, or you can just have our pumpkin panels and creations. And we'd super love to help you with that. And I'm so glad you stopped by and thought of us. And it's really nice of you to say such nice things about us. We appreciate it. We totally appreciate it.
Once my channel gets a little bit bigger, hopefully I have a nice haunt set that I have different things from different haunts and things like that.
So you want a pumpkin? I will make you a pumpkin. We will make you a pumpkin with your logo on it. You have it on film.
Thank you.
All right. Take care.
Thank you for watching. Remember, hunt season never ends.